Wanna know how to maximize critical hit chance for any unit in Dokkan battle? So critical hits can turn the tide of any battle in Dragon Ball Z. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily maximize critical hits in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now first things first, make sure you equip items or units that provide critical support skills. So you need to have items with it, or you can't make critical hit and you can't damage your opponent. Make sure you also position units in rotations that maximize link bonuses or critical hits. By stacking all bonuses carefully, even weaker units can occasionally deal a huge damage, which makes battles much easier to clear, which will increase your chance of winning the battle itself. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you maximize critical hit in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.